Okay friends, today we will discuss CBSE class 10 exercise 1.2 question number 7. Before this, it is assumed that you have a clear idea of fundamental theorem of arithmetic, LCM and HCF. If not, please refer to my previous videos, and for details you can refer the description link. Okay, now we are going to question number 7. There is a circular path around a sports field. Okay, we have a circular path here. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. So Sonia takes 18 minutes to take a round like this. And Ravi takes 12 minutes to take a full round. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? So that is the question. Okay, Sonia takes 18 minutes means after 18 minutes Sonia will be here. Again after 36 minutes also Sonia will be here. So after every multiple of 18 Sonia will be here. Similarly, Ravi takes 12 minutes to complete this circle. So after 12 minutes he will be here, after 24 minutes he will be here, and after every multiple of 12 minutes Ravi will be here. So suppose we have a number which is a common multiple of 12 and 18. At that point of time both of them will be here. Clear? Okay, now suppose they start together from here. What will be the number they will be reaching together here? That means definitely that will be a multiple of 12 and 18. And the first time when they meet, that will be definitely the LCM of these two numbers. Yes, you guessed it correct. So LCM of 12 and 18 we have to find out. LCM 2, 6, 2 and 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 and 18 we have 2, 9, 3, 3. So LCM will be, we have to take all the factors. So 2 into 2 into 3 we have taken here. Here 1, 2 is there, we have taken 2 2's already, so we don't have to take these 2. Here 2 3's are there, 1 3 we have taken, so we have to take one more 3. So the answer will be 4 into 9, 36. So after 36 minutes both of them will be coming here. Okay, apply common sense. So after 36 minutes Ravi will be completing 3 times and Sonia will be completing 2 times. Correct. So that is the answer.